If there's one thing that we as humans can always count on, it's change. But very few can constantly change and stay ahead of the game for as long as Inman Mills has. With plants well established throughout the southeast portion of the United States, the mill near Spartanburg, South Carolina, is one of the oldest and most traditional in the world. But tradition doesn't mean sticking to the old ways. Tradition is relying on the core values and principles that have kept them key players in an ever-changing industry, constantly exceeding to better suit the demands of an expanding global market. Today, Inman is known for their ingenious use of cutting-edge technology to successfully produce some of the world's most advanced fabrics for a wide range of applications. In order to face this challenge, Inman Mills chose partners who share the same focus on quality and innovation, the same vision of excellence and reliability, the same values that built a strong bond with their customers and suppliers alike. Mr. Bill Bowen, Vice President, responsible for purchasing raw materials, shares some of his experiences with Ooster Technologies and how this partnership helps them to achieve their goals.
We're using expensive raw materials, and it's very important for us to utilize those in the best manner we can. So we use the APHIS to go in and check machine to machine as well as process to process, and that enables us to get the best value out of that raw material. We have been able to take Ooster's machines, the APHIS, the UT5, and various other machines, and use those to test at different places through the mill. That allows us to optimize our raw materials, but it also allows us to take that machinery and run it at the highest speed possible, but still produce the quality. We're having to really push the envelope to meet those higher quality standards. And in order to do that, we have to buy the best machinery we can, and we have to buy the best testing equipment that we can to allow us to make the products that are much higher tech than we were 30 years ago. Ooster, I would say, has done a lot of what we're doing, and that is they've embraced the speed and the higher quality in their machinery, which allows us to in turn do the same thing in our process. We really value these partnerships, and we feel like they can be a win-win for both us and our supplier or customer. The people make the business, and the relationships and the partnerships that we have with suppliers such as Ooster to work on projects together, to innovate together. That's what makes me the most proud.